It might be imperfect to sing songs to heal your wounds, but there are still words in ones or twos to express our profound displeasure for this occurrence. Sleepless nights and restless day, tearful eyes and an hardened heart, bringing to us memories that shall fear our lives tomorrow, piercing our happiness, our family with a sharp arrow. This we can't forget. A moment passing by like a wind, forcing tears to denote the pain hidden for centuries. This is a tragedy pelting our hearts. A day we lived has caused the lives of hundreds to perish. On line of duty to put food on the table and shoes on their feet. Was this unfortunate incident their wish to die on their path to finding what to eat? I doubt that. Things might have escalated, but we are still closely related. We can't seem to forget the pains and nightmares of your sleep, tearing your silence with scenes and flashbacks, leaving your bodies scarred with remarkable marks. Our hearts are with you. The day shall be born anew, and the smiles shall restore. Even in this difficult hour, without recollecting your yesterday, tomorrow is a better day to live on, and not to spend our entire life thinking about what we can't undo. Our hearts are with you. Be strong. We are still here, right here with you.